Savar's Toy View. Hey guys, welcome to Savar's Toy Review. In today's vlog, I'm gonna play with Thomas and friends Super Cruiser. It's an amazing game. It's amazing. Come on, let's open it. Now, let the fun begin. Really begin. You need help? Okay, I come your way. Thank you. You're welcome. Idea. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow. It's for me, for you, I eat the little one. Eek for you. Ooh. Huh? You turned it down for me? It's so fun here, brother. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below and give me a big thumbs up. And now, bye!